I hope to see more bold, passionate, and relentless women in the workplace. To me, it means that I get to celebrate somebody who has been undermined for however many years.
My hope for the future of women in workplaces is that we lean on each other more, we support each other. As we rise through the ranks, that we look back and bring other women up with us, so we're all sitting at the table together.
When you make the steps that you take and create the actions that you do with fearlessness and with confidence, you can only imagine what you're going to be able to achieve.
International Women's Day to me means being there for each other and supporting each other. There's a great quote from Serena Williams, which is, "Every woman's success should be an inspiration to others, and we're greater when we cheer each other on."